You came here because you wanted to learn how to play Cold Sweat by James Brown. Well, come on in, let me show you. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. There are only like 3 main parts, so it'll be easy. Check this out. It is very important in any style of music, but particularly funk music, to play parts. That's what makes the thing go more than licks and all that stuff, is playing a consistent pattern. You got a 2-measure pattern here. That's measure 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? And measure 2, that's all on D. Then we go D. I'm going to shift from my 4th finger to my 1st finger and then slide up so that I'm back at the top of that physically, and I can get to it again. So let me play it slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went from D, F sharp, and a chromatic walk. You could also do this. But I think it's important to make sure that you end up on that 1st finger again when you get to the top of this 2-measure motif. All right? Let's talk about the B section. The rhythm is the same in the measure. In the 1st measure, it's also B section is also a 2-measure pattern. That's the 1st measure of it. So C, 2 and 3, and on B flat, then G on the end of B4. So the next measure of that, so the B section is 2 measures long. It's the same vibe as the 1st one, right? Same rhythms, different notes. Then we've got the I wake up, dum 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 dum, in a cold sweat, boom boom boom, bum. Okay, that is 4 measures long, and they're all on the upbeats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wake up. 2, 3, 4. G. Pretty easy, right? 2, 3, 4. You dig? So James Brown, Cold Sweat, the bass line. What I suggest that you do is that you listen to this music, go listen to the original track, put it on Spotify, and see the other songs that the algorithm on Spotify brings up that are in a similar vein. That's how you really get this stuff under your fingers. You know what I mean? Really how you get the vocabulary and the language of funk music. And besides, I'm a guy on YouTube. Listen to the music. You know what I mean? Look, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a video or live stream. If you want more tutorials like this, there's a playlist right there. Up here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like from this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm coming to your house. I'm not coming to your house, but I think I'm funny. So anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Peace. 2 fingers.